Hi, I'm Roy and I'm from Howard Storage World, and we're down here at the Brisbane Home Show today. We've bought a few things in from our various stores. If you like wine, and who doesn't like a bottle of wine, we have a great range of wine racks. These are the handmade Australian hardwood wine racks. We've also got plastics and a whole lot of other ranges. Garbage bins. You think we've got garbage in? We have over 94 different garbage bins in our stores, from these beautiful simple human bins, whether we have a clamshell opening, a traditional opening. We have double bins, single bins. Simple human, 10-year warranty, all made in USA. Brabantio, top of the range bins, most of them with 10-year warranties. Howards are generally known for storage, and we've got the biggest range of containers of anybody around. Whether we have the top of the range OXO, very good if you have a little bit of a problem with your hands, you can seal it, vacuum tight it, whatever, very, very simple to use. The Zach square, 100% space utilisation, very, very good seal, and they stack together so they sit and lock tight. The big news today is we're launching the new Alpha Starter Pack. Our Alpha system is a wall-mounted storage system. We have a top rail that mounts on the wall like this, and a range of verticals which click into this and we can slide into position. Now, we're not dependent on studs. We can position this anywhere and we can give you a range of product. What starts with this, and then we can give you an office like this, a wardrobe like that, a pantry, whatever you want in the Alpha system, we can give it to you. The system is fully adjustable. We can dress it up, we can dress it down. We have a full bling system like this with beautiful timber surrounds, shoe racks, shoe shelves. My own favourite is the pant rack, 10 pairs of pants, looks beautiful, keeps everything lovely. And ladies, look at this wardrobe. No matter how many clothes you've got, we can design a system for you. So come and see us at the Brisbane Home Show. All four Howard stores in Brisbane are represented. Aspley, my store, obviously I think it's the best in the city. We've got Fortitude Valley, we've got Garden City, Mount Gravatt and Westfield and Carindale. Down at the show, if you come and see us, you can get 10% off a free in-house Alpha design. So come and treat yourself to the best wardrobe system in the world and get 10% off while you're doing it. Thank you.